Hey you guys, it's me, Ari, and welcome back to my channel. I make videos here on YouTube all about home decor, DIY, home hacks, cooking, cleaning, and all the fun things in between. So this is a compilation video of my apartment and all of the home decor that I have used to furnish it for free. Yes, you heard it, for free. So all of these things are either upcycled or I found them on the curb. Someone was throwing it out and I thought, your trash is my treasure. So if you like this video, comment down below and let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed already, I invite you to stick around with me. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you in advance for watching and see you later. This first item was actually a butcher block slash bar cart slash kitchen island thing that I found on the curb during a bulk day in my town. So this is a video of me actually cleaning it, trying to figure out if it's water damage or just this finish that I had to sand through. I ended up just sticking with it, being patient, and having hope. And later on, I decided to add on some things, some features to customize it for my liking. I actually had a couple of baskets that I was able to attach by both screwing them in and zip tying them in so that I can store things like my coffee, my cardboard box holder for my recyclables, tape, scissors, my vitamins, miscellaneous objects that I can change in and out as I please. As you can see, it's in great shape. All I had to do was sand down the top, make a couple of repairs, add some wooden planks on the bottom, and I purchased these caster wheels on Amazon. Along with these baskets, these smaller hooks and C-hooks for the miscellaneous items that I hang so that I can save some space in my small apartment. And I customized it to what I'd like. So I did spend a little bit of money on these extra goodies, but it was technically free. And I think this is one of my favorites. One of my favorite pieces in my apartment that I use every day. This is a pile of books that I actually have found within little libraries here in town. It's basically a small box that people put on their lawns, and it's filled with free books. You can either borrow them or exchange them with books you have at home. And I actually have accumulated a bunch of really awesome books over time. Of course, they're free, so I use them as decor. Now the books are sitting up on top of this piece of furniture that I actually also found on the side of the road. It was not this color. The hardware was a completely different color. It was very basic and did not have caster wheels. So I used some paint and some spray paint that I had at home, and I basically just changed the color to my liking. And the caster wheels on the bottom were actually part of a furniture moving square dolly thing that I actually found on the side of the road as well. So I removed those caster wheels and then I added it onto this. And I use it to store some more of my books. I also use it to store my laptop since there's 2 spaces on top. I was able to buy some hardware on Amazon that was magnetic and convenient for opening and closing that door. I had extra baskets that I thrifted in the past, and I was able to use them for these narrow spaces as well. Now this mirror you see here is huge. It's about 1.5 yards by 2 yards long, and I actually did nothing to it but just clean it. I found it on the side of the road on another bulk day, and I just attached it to my sliding doors to my hallway closet. Welcome to my teeny tiny humble bidet. Just kidding. I don't have a bidet. I wish I did have one. Anyway, so my bathroom has no storage space whatsoever. And the only blank space at all that I have is underneath my sink, which has tons of piping. Now this is what I found on another bulk day. Someone was throwing it out. I took it apart because I had an idea. I had some extra wood from some pallets that I also got for free, and I formulated this project in my mind of a storage shelving situation underneath my sink in the bathroom. Using some extra wood, some wood stain, some black spray paint, a few screws, and some elbow grease, I found a way to make it fit and actually look pretty cute underneath my sink. This is probably my favorite DIY in my bathroom because it's functional and cute. This one is for some extra storage as well, for my decor and extra toiletries. But stick with me, this is a really weird one. The base of this shelf is actually an old artwork piece that I got for free as well from a friend. And it was covered in canvas, so I removed the canvas and the staples, but I was left with this frame. And I had some extra wooden skewers that I glued on along with some extra rope, and I painted over it. I attached, using some nails and some screws, an old belt and an old strap from a purse. And I just screwed it into the wall. And surprisingly, a year later, it has not fallen down. So this collection of vintage artwork was a gift from my mother, and she actually was helping out a neighbor of ours cleaning her mom's home. Unfortunately, her mom passed away, but this treasure of a collection was in her attic. This is another DIY art piece that I made using some dried up baby's breath and a stencil letter A for my name. And this frame is actually a frame that I found on the side of the road as well. One of the cutest mirrors I have found on the side of the road. I can't believe someone was throwing this out. Look how adorable it is. And I posted this on my bathroom door. This floral artwork was given to me by my cousin. It was a hand-me-down, and it's huge. It goes over my headboard, which are just 2 pallets that I found for free on Facebook Marketplace. And these lamps I actually DIY'd. I hit the jackpot with this one. Not only was it free, but I found it on Facebook Marketplace just hours after it was posted, and it's actually perfect for my small apartment because it gives me so much vertical storage space. This is a project that I have recorded the process of and is in one of my YouTube videos. So I suggest you check that one out and let me know what you think.
it's not only functional, but it's a way to display some trinkets and some really decorative cups and mugs that I otherwise don't have room for in my cabinets. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.